Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Yesplayer on your Amazon Firestick device. So have you just tried to many guides but cannot find a way to install Yesplayer on Firestick? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I'm going to show you how to install Yesplayer on Firestick with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, Fire TV, Fire TV Lite and Fire TV Cube. Before we start the installation steps, let's start with a brief introduction. What is Yesplayer? Here are several peoples who already know about this media player, but yet some people are still confused about what is Yesplayer and why it is used. So Yesplayer is a free media player app for Android device user that supports live streaming from different sources. Before we proceed to installation section, we have to first jailbreak Firestick. Without this, we are not able to install any third-party application on this Amazon Fire TV device. And if you are new on this channel, subscribe it, and if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more videos on Firestick. So let's start to jailbreak Firestick device first. So what you have to do, you need to hold the remote home button for a few seconds, and here you will get four options. So you have to click on settings. After entering into settings, move forward and then open My Fire TV. Scroll down and then select developer option, and here you will see two options. So scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. A warning message will appear on your screen, so select turn on. Now here you can see apps from unknown source enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. Now we need to install downloader app, which is used to download third-party application. Through this app we download Yesplayer on Firestick. So click on left side search icon above the menu and type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, the suggestion appear downloader. So scroll down and click on. And here you can see orange color downloader icon. So click on. Now press download button. The downloader app will start downloading automatically. When app downloaded, click on open to launch. First time downloader will ask permission from your device, so just click on allow and then click on OK. Now here open empty box and type link firesticklab.com/esp.apk. After typing link, click on go button. Yesplayer start downloading in few seconds. It's depending on your internet connection. After downloaded, it will show the installation section appear. So click on install button. Now Yesplayer has been installed on our Firestick. Just click on done button and delete backup file because we don't need any more. After deleting backup file, go back home screen by pressing remote home button, and here hold remote home button for a few seconds. Now click on apps, and here you will find all application that is installed on our Firestick. So if you want to open Yesplayer, then hover to Yesplayer and open it. And here you can see all Firestick videos. So these are all videos I recently record on my Firestick. So this way you can download Yesplayer on your Amazon Firestick device, and I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.